Good morning.
DISH and SDGI Dish Network expected to drop 112 TV stations, impacting 3.5 million subscribers and 38% of the country. Sinclair Broadcast Group says unlikely their carriage agreement with Dish will be reached before August 16th. All Sinclair Broadcast TV stations and tennis channel will no longer be carried by Dish Network. That's Sandy Bravo Golf India, Delta India, Sandy Hotel.
Alright, so really not seeing too much today. Just gonna have to wait. See what the markets want to do. I wanted to play
ARVN, Arvinus, and Silicon Medicine announcing AI-driven PROTAC R&D collaboration with Arvinus. That's out for real in November. TSN, Tyson Foods, on their earnings call, the company's CFO says Tyson increased U.S. meat exports by 18% in Q3, led by beef.
Alrighty. Good morning, Russo. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but this yellow thing up here on the options chain is it's MMM. It stands for market maker move. This is the move that they're factoring into the price of the option chain. I wanted to play BNTX today. Man, I don't know what is going on with this platform today. It keeps deleting my tickers. So BNTX, they got a $36 move factored in. And I don't know if we're going to see that. We got a double top on it. So we might get a pullback on it, but I'm not going to play it because I don't think we're going to see a move big enough to make money. mRNA might follow suit with it. I just don't like that we're right in the middle between R1 and S1. I mean, I do see we're selling off on the 1 minute chart. Square. We got a double bottom, so we could see a pop on Square today. I don't know. I'm just not feeling anything today. I'm not seeing anything that's spectacularly jumping out at me. So, it's kind of just a wait and see. Tesla, yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not really seeing anything at the moment, so I'll have to wait and see what the bell does. I did short any though. I'm still shorting it right now. Up $114 on it. I took 300 shares to the downside. And when you're shorting, I mean, you really don't have to sit there and stare at it all day, because these penny stocks just go down to where they started, which is why I always wanted to short with you guys here on Thinkorswim. But they make it too difficult. Trade Zero, I really do like it. Haven't had any issues with it other than it took forever to get set up. The charts are terrible on here. But I'm looking for this to come back down to the $5 area today at the bell at some point. So, we'll see what we do. BTBT. I know, Russo, we were talking about this one last night. We still got the tweezer tops here. I guess it's just a weight game. We're going to see if we curl up to the R1 and get a pullback, or if we're going to go straight through. But they're trading higher. Let's see what the... does this have earnings? Why do we got an implied move here? Julio, if you don't know, on Thinkorswim, they have this yellow box here is MMM. It's called the market maker move. That's the move that's factored into the option price on the options when they have earnings. I don't know when they got their earnings. Oh, okay, 8/12.
BNTX, BioNTech, Chief Medical Officer says data suggests neutralizing antibodies after third dose of established vaccine, where a full dose generated with second dose.
I'm going to go ahead and make another blue line on this one.
Bravo November Tango X-ray and Papa Foxtrot Echo.
Because I see we're trading outside. But yeah, I mean, as of right now, I'm just not seeing anything. AMD, we could get a bounce here off support. But where everything is right now, we're just kind of in the middle area. on a lot of these plays, and I'm just not feeling anything today. But we'll see what the bell does. We got 5 minutes to the bell. So yeah, that's really it. I just don't see anything today. We'll see what Square does here at the bell. I might take a short position in Square here, the 270 strike put. Which
GE and AMZN, GE Healthcare announced its strategic collaboration with Amazon Web Services to transform care and delivery, help clinicians improve patient care. That's Alpha Michael Zulu November and Golf Echo.
Ugh.
Arizona, partnering with Gila River Hotels and Casinos and the Arizona Cardinals. That's Michael Golf Michael. Shares of Tyson Foods, TSN Tyson Foods popping to the high 75.21 after the open, up about 5% of the highs, following their earnings release and conference call. That's Tango Sandy November.
I bought one put option on Square, the 270 strike. Alright, mRNA is taken off. I'm going to wait till we get a nice high, possibly up at R1, and then I'm going to short mRNA.
WORX says Seaworks halted on a circuit breaker. Whiskey Oscar Romeo X-ray.
Got a nice elephant bar there.
CLOV, Clover Health, September $10 call speed now on Charlie Lima Oscar Victor. CLOV. Shares getting a little pop here.
Let's see how Square's doing. Well, we're up 40 bucks on Square. 45. So I'm waiting for this mRNA to get up here to R1, and then I'm going to short it. And then
HOOD, Robin Hood Markets.
Let's look at Tesla real quick.
August $70 call sweep on Hotel
So
Oscar.
Tesla came down to the R1. Up 97.50 on Square. So we got Tesla calming down. Let's see what mRNA is doing. Alright, so we already made a nice move to the upside here. I'm going to see if we come up and possibly touch this area, the 440 area, before I start looking to short.
$63 per share, 20 million shares of Zoom Info's Class A common stock. That's Zoom India. Shares of Zoom Info.
Let me go look and see what my short position is doing on Trade Zero. We're up $162. I'm looking for $300. I think we're going to pull back to the $5 level.
Improved on their call. The company CEO says
So I'm going to let that ride.
took a step back in efforts to find workers because of the Delta variant.
Alright, so now you see, if you guys watched the videos yesterday, we're up at resistance level 1. So I want to see if we pop through like we did here. And let me just peek at Tesla, because I'm probably going to short Tesla and mRNA. Let's see how Square's doing. We're up 135 on Square. We're approaching S2. So we got a little ways to go to get to S2, which is support too. If you didn't watch the video from yesterday, I put it in here. It's on YouTube also. Alright, we got tweezer tops on mRNA. I'm going to go with
WORX.
the 420 put.
Trade after a circuit breaker halt. Whiskey Oscar Romeo X-ray.
Alright, candle didn't close yet. Let's see what we get.
The BioNTech CEO says it is not clear which of the virus variants might emerge over the coming months, and therefore does not make sense to change the vaccine.
Alright, we got the tweezer top, double close. I still just want to see what this next candle does, because we did break through here, and then this would be an all-time high. So I want to see if we break through this here. And my 420 put option is getting a lot cheaper as we go higher, so. And I have that set up ready to go on the other screen. Alright, so I bought the 420 put on mRNA. Let's look at Square again. We're up 125 on Square on the 2-minute chart here. Doesn't look like we really want to come to the S2 level. I may close it out. Go ahead and close this one out. Square.